Today we're taking a look at the Newest M19 Bluetooth 5.3 earphones that we got direct from the Temu website. Now we have previously compiled a video of the lowest priced TWS earphones that we have personally bought off the Temu website. That video right now is live up on our channel, and yes, you go and watch it just after this one should you wish. But yeah, the M19s, they are cheap as chips, costing £6.67 just now. But we actually got a good deal from Temu, where we actually got them for only 69p. But right away, it's really noticeable we've got an extra large charge case. It has a full digital display, with that same slogan that we've seen before, saying be loud, be proud. And yep, we've seen that on that trending M10 earbud review video. As well as that, we've got that centralised remaining charge case battery percentage level, and the left and right earphone charge indicators, indicating the actual earphone levels, and that display can be viewed through that semi-tinted click to close lid. The case itself, it is charged via the Type-C charge cable that is supplied. It would take around about 3 hours 3 minutes to fully charge it from flat, with 3 full additional recharges of your earphones while you're on the go. This case, by the way, it does have a handy torch function to the right side. W.
Top to bottom, up and around.
If we switch to the left, there is a lanyard hook. There's also a Type A out port, and that's because this charge case acts as a power bank too. But you know what? If you think that, you're gonna be deceived, because we did indeed plug our mobile phone into this power bank / charge case, and instead of charging our phone, it didn't even go up a percent. In fact, that charge case rapidly dropped without having any type of effect on our mobile phone battery. No. Now from the outlook, the M19 earphones, they do look exceptionally nice. They have a lovely gloss shell, average size stems, soft illuminated breathing pairing lights, and when it comes to the comfort, you know what, it's not too bad too. They're nice and secure, comfortable to use for 3 hours plus. You do in fact get some spare ear tips too, a normal Type-C charge cable, and a simplistic user manual. I'd say that the box that the earphones come in is quite basic, but if we quickly jump to the audio, because there's no passive noise isolation or any ANC modes with these earphones, there is quite a bit of sound leakage when the earphones are placed within our ears. Now this is not an excuse for the total lack of bass. It's very flat with most genres of music, with the treble not sounding very impactful, not powerful enough, with the main vocalist in some sound ballads sounding way too laid back. And that is the same when it comes to the mid-tones. The mids are too laid back, not upfront enough. And I would say that the instruments with any type of song, they're more clear than the singer's voice clarity. So nope, no power, not great audio, and the audio does slightly deviate to the left-hand driver unit too. The touch controls, these particular earphones actually do almost have my preferred function set up, all except for the track selections and the volume functions. Well, they are indeed reversed. And what I mean by this is, usually, for the track selections, you tap twice on the right ear to skip forward a track, but with these earphones today, well, if you tap twice on that right earphone, it actually goes back a track, and that's the same with the volume too. So if you tap the earphone 3 times on the right side, the volume seems to go down rather than go up. Yeah, a bit of mixed matched. So yes, you got 1 press in either earphone for play, pause, call, answering, 2 presses on the right earphone for the previous track selection, 2 presses on the left earphone for the next track selection, 3 taps on the right for the volume down, 3 taps on the left for the volume up, and a 2-second hold for the voice assist. Tell me a fact of the day.
Did you know that the Dead Sea, a landlocked lake situated between Jordan and Israel, has about 9 times more salt than the world's oceans? Because of this, the Dead Sea has a natural buoyancy, making it impossible for humans to sink in it.
So yes, the touch controls, they're not too sensitive. They actually are okay when adjusting the earphones in your ears, so they shouldn't really trigger any of the touch controls off. But when it comes to the mic quality, well, this was the worst feature of the bunch.
What can I say about these earphones? Not that you're going to be wanting to do a lot of video recording with these earphones, but the microphones on these actual earbuds are really rubbish. As you can tell, my voice clarity is rubbish. It's real muddy, very muffled. Not only that, there's a real bad issue when it comes to the interference. Just listen. crap. And that's the same when making any type of voice calls too. These, the microphones on them, they're just the worst.
Usage time? We got only 1 hour 33 minutes using 100% volume consistently. Now we did give it a boost and we managed to recharge them within 55 minutes, which isn't too bad. So in whole, with 3 additional recharges with that charge case, well, the max usage time for these earphones while on the go is only 4 hours 39 minutes, which is not that great to be honest. I will however note though that there was a stable connection. We did get up to 55 feet before the connection cut off, but when it comes to rating these M19 earphones, we simply gave them a 5 out of 10 for the design. The earphones are not too bad looking, the touch controls I would say are okay too. Not too oversensitive, but as mentioned, some of those touch controls are reversible and easy to forget. Now the audio quality, well, we're not going to mess around. We're going to give them a 2 out of 10. Not great audio, not enough energy. But when it comes to mic quality, well, you know what, it's even worse. We're going to give it a 1 out of 10. It's simply just poor, there's a lot of interference, and your voice pickup is actually really muffled. The usage time, again, we're going to give it a 2 out of 10. Not good for long work shifts. With our overall score for the M19 earphones coming in with the lowest rating out of the 6 of just 2 out of 10. Now, if you would like to check the M19s out, I have left a link in the video description down below. Nope, I'm not affiliated in any type of way. And if you've liked what you've seen within this video, well, why not go get yours? While you're in that video description, guys, it'd mean so much if you please like and share this video wherever possible. Muchas gracias. Not only that, get subscribing just now, will you? Bearing in mind though to hit that bell notification option, so you guys stay updated on our very next upload. Now, it's been interesting reviewing a lot of earphones this week. But if you want to go ahead and check out that previously compiled lowest priced TMU earphone video, well, it's showing on screen just now. But if you want to watch something a bit different, well, why not click this one here? Hey, you still here? Oh well, I hope you guys stick around for our very next upload. In a bit. Peace.